Okay, now this video here is a two-parter, okay? It's a little bit difficult, something new a little bit. Okay, it says a rectangle's length is twice its width. Okay, can you circle this for me right there? Its perimeter is 30 centimeters. What's the area of the rectangle? Wow. What I'm going to do is split this into three parts here. First, I want to find the area. That's what it's asking me to find. Now, area of a rectangle, again, is length times width. Okay? It's just a rectangle. There's nothing around the outside. But I have to find the number for the length and the number for the width, which I will be doing in the second video. Okay, in this video, what we need to do is come up with some equations. So it tells me the perimeter, okay? I'd like you to just draw a standard rectangle just on this problem, because any rectangle is the same. Now perimeters, when we go add the outsides, okay? Like if that was 10, that was 3, so I'd do 10 plus 3 plus 10 plus 3. You'd add the outsides. So we don't know what the sides are, though, because I don't know either the length or the width. Well, again, I know we got length, width, width. So remember, perimeter's adding the outsides, okay? So we know that equals 30. Now, how many L's are around the outside? How many L's do you see there? 2. So I write 2L plus. Remember, because it's all plus on perimeter, okay? Area is multiplying, but perimeter, that's different. Now, how many W's do you see around the outside? You see 2. Okay, there's one equation. Now, I need another equation because I got two variables, two letters, L and W, I have to solve for. Well, here's what I use. Length, so I put L. Is means equals. Ms. Patton should have taught you that. Twice, that means the number 2. It's width, so W. Now in this video, I'd like you to stop there. Okay, but have this set up. Okay, now the next one, a rectangle's length is 3 times its width. The perimeter is 70 feet. What is a rectangle's area? Split it into 3 parts. First, I need to find the area. So I know how to find area of a rectangle. I take the length multiplied by the width. Okay, the perimeter is 70. So again, perimeter is when you add up the sides. You don't know what the sides are, though, but you know there are 2 L's and 2 W's again. That's how to write an equation based off of the perimeter. Okay, now I need another equation because I got 2 variables. Length equals 3 times its width, so 3W this time. Okay. A rectangle's length is 4 times its width. Its perimeter is 50 inches. What's the rectangle's area? So again, area is taking the length times the width. All right, so our first equation is based on our perimeter. Again, perimeter is when I add up the sides, so there's 2 L's and 2 W's to add together. 2L plus 2W equals 50. So to write an equation of a rectangle based on its perimeter. Okay, now also circle that. Length, start your circle at length and close it. Okay, so length means equals, and 4 times, you don't need to write a sign for times, the width, so 4W. 4W means 4 times the width. Okay. A rectangle's length is twice its width. Its perimeter is 48 centimeters. What's the rectangle's area? So again, asking for area would be our length times our width. See, on that other packet, we knew what the area was, okay? So it's like we're going backwards. Here we have to just find the length and width. I don't know the area. So again, perimeter equals 48, and that is 2L plus 2W. Should be getting the hang of that by now. Okay, length is twice its width, so length means L, is means equals, twice means 2, and its width would be 2W. Okay, and last one. Rectangle's area, so we know that that's the length multiplied by the width. And again, they give me the perimeter, so I know that that's adding, if I would add the sides, it equals 40. And that comes from adding 2 L's along with 2 W's. Okay. And then the other equation is the length equals 3W. Remember, is means equals 3 times. Don't put a time sign, just don't put a sign at all if you see times, and then its width is just W.